The sounds of morning time in retirement. You hear that? All them cicadas, the peacefulness, the daggone birds chirping. You know, that's what you're buying when the day you step out of daggone that gate for the last time. It's a slower pace, but it's a peaceful pace. That's what you bought. All that struggling, sacrificing, overtime, holidays. That's what it bought. That's what it buys you. What a way to start the day. See, I got me a red tomato over yonder. I've got another orange one right there. I've got a couple of squash over yonder. Getting ready to cut grass right now before it gets too daggone hot out here. It's supposed to be a hot one today. But hey man, we got a live tomorrow night, third Thursday of the month, 7 p.m. Eastern. If you feel like showing up, man, you get an opportunity. Hey man, I'd love to have you. I'd love to see you on there. I'd love to talk to you. If not, hey man, we'll check you on the next video. Y'all take care, man. Stay cool, and we'll talk to y'all later.